Hi guys, welcome back to Baking Fiat. Today we're going to be making oatmeal chocolate chip cookies. So we're going to cream together in our stand mixer 2/3 of a cup of soft unsalted butter and 1/2 a cup of packed brown sugar. I used light brown sugar for this recipe because we're using molasses as well. Let's cream it together until it's nice and soft and fluffy. Okay, so in a separate bowl, we're going to do our dry. So our dry today is 1 cup of sifted all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. So let's sift that all together. And now we're going to add it into our butter mixture that's in our stand mixer. And we're going to blend in 1 whole egg. Okay, so let's put in 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract and 1 tablespoon of fancy molasses. There's so many different kinds of molasses. You want to go with the fancy for baking, okay? So now that that's done, we're just going to add our 1.5 cups of oats. Don't use the instant stuff, it'll just fall right apart in the cookie and it'll absorb into it. You want like just normal oats. And I used 1 cup of chocolate chips. But if you want to do raisins, I'm not a big fan of raisins, but if you want to do raisins and keep it healthy, totally fine. So we're only going to mix that until they're just coated with the cookie batter. And then we're going to take it out and we're putting it in the oven. So our oven is at 375 Fahrenheit. So we're going to do little spoonfuls this size. And we're going to bake them 7 to 9 minutes. But I baked mine for about 8. We're just looking for the cookies to start browning on the edges. And for them to lose their shine. We want the oats cooked. Because you don't really want to eat a raw oat, do you? I don't. Okay, so these are the cookies now. Yummy. This is my partner Roman's mom's recipe, and oh my god, like, she makes them so much better than me. But it's the same recipe. She passed it down, and this is still fantastic. Mother's love. Oh, I tell you, delicious. Thanks, Irina, for the recipe. I appreciate it. All right, let's eat. Oh, this is so good. Okay, so that's everything today, guys. I will see you next time. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell, okay? So we can be on the same wavelength. Let's do it. Okay, bye. Love you all. Baking Fiat out.